Hi friends, do you want to speak like an American? Do you want to sound like a native speaker? Then today in this video I'll tell you some important tips. I will give you some words which will really make you sound like an American and you will sound like a native speaker. And also these words will help you to speak better and confidently. Now this video is made in two parts. In the part 1 I'll tell you about 6 words which will make a big change in the way you communicate. And in the part 2 I will add 6 more words, but I will also add some extra tips about how to use these words, where to use and where not to use these words. So friends, watch this video and you will understand that there are some filler words which are used by native speakers and they use it very naturally at the right time, the right place. So let's see how these filler words are used. Let's continue. Well friends, as I told, filler words, they are very important words, and if these words are used at the right time, at the right place, your English will sound like a native speaker and you will be very confident and you will look very natural. But before going to this point, as usual, I always tell in all the videos about my training session. The name of the session is English Communication and Confidence Therapy. It's an awesome session. Personally with me, I'm going to train you live. No recorded videos, no apps, no shortcuts. If you are interested in that, if you want to improve your communication and your confidence, come on, read the description. All the details are given there. But most important thing, this is not a grammar course. This course is based on psychology. This course is the result of my 18 years of hard work and research. So if you are interested, read the description and see the magic in you, the way you speak. Well, let us come back to this topic. As I was telling about fillers, there are around 12 fillers. There may be more also. Every time a new filler comes, there is no fixed fillers actually. These are called as fillers. Fillers means what? They fill the gap. Now understand, these are not the words which usual meaning. These words are intended for some other purposes or other intentions. Why? Because see, actually these words are not like, for example, the first word is there, well, W-E-L-L, well. This word has nothing to do with wellness. How are you? I'm well. No. This word is used in a different way. So I'll tell you the first word, that is well. Well is used during thinking or during a pause or during hesitation. I'll explain you. It is used in different ways. For example, thinking. We say like, well, I think ₹20 is a fair price for this book. In this case, verbal and non-verbal both must match. When you are saying this, verbal means it should not be well, it should be well. That kind of intonations are required. And non-verbal means what? Yeah, your body language should match with this sound. Like, well, that kind of. Then only this makes a sense. This word makes a sense. So here well is used to just show that you are thinking. Now another way well is used is to take a pause. For example, I want to come, well, but I'm busy. Here well is used to show a pause. Okay. Now there is another way to use well. It is used to show hesitation. Let me give you one example. Well, no problem. I can come with you. In this case, well is used to show hesitation. Actually, you don't want to go, but that is conveyed through well. So in this way, well filler is used. Let us move ahead and see the second filler. Second filler is like, L-I-K-E, like. As I told you before, it has nothing to do with that like, I like you, I don't like you, no. This word is used, or this filler is used to indicate that you don't know exactly. Okay, it is used to express not exactly. Let me give you one example. The point will be clear. My friend has like, 2 cars and 1 SUV. Now here, the word is used to show that you are not sure about, not exact about. So this word is used like. Now understand one, this word must be used very sparingly, because if you use too much, then it shows you are not confident. Because as I told you, if you always say like, it shows that you are not confident about what you are saying. So use it very carefully. Let us move ahead. The third filler I want to tell you, which is also very used commonly. The third filler is, you know. This is used to share, tell something that you assume the listener already knows. Let me clarify this. I'll give you one example. We stayed at that hotel, you know, the one down the street. In this case, it is assumed that the listener already knows what you are saying. Like which hotel? That particular hotel. Are you getting the point? Yeah. Okay, let us move ahead. I hope all of you are enjoying. This is about you know. But this word you know is used like in contraction, means you know. It's not like you know, it's you know. In this way it is used. Alright, let us move forward now. Now, you know is also used in second situation. It can be used instead of an explanation. In case where we feel the listener just understands what you mean. Let me give you one example. When the elevator went down, I got that weird feeling in my ears, you know. Now in this case, what you are doing is, you are telling something to the listener and you assume that the listener has understood this. Okay, like you don't need to explain him further, understood this. This is the use of you know. Next filler, also very commonly used, very important filler, and the filler is I mean. I mean is used to clarify or emphasize how you feel about something. Let me clarify this with an example. I mean, he's a great guy, but I'm not sure if he's a good doctor. Now in this case, here the use of I mean is to clarify. It's used to clarify. So you are trying to clarify that guy, that doctor, he's a good guy, but I don't know whether he's a good doctor or not. Okay, so you're just trying to clarify that. Another way of using I mean is in this way. I mean is used in case of making corrections. Now, if you are not sure about something, I mean is used. For example, let me explain you. The food was not very good. It was disgusting. I mean, that vegetable, I didn't like it. In this case, you are clarifying that actually what I said initially, it is not correct. The complete food was not disgusting. Out of all the vegetables, one of the dish was not good. So in this way, I mean can be used. Let us move ahead for the next filler, which is again very commonly used. I use it many times while speaking, and it is I guess. As you can figure it out that I guess means what? Not sure. It is used to show you are not sure. Let me explain you with an example. What time is he going to come? You answer, I guess at 5 o'clock. So in this case, you are not sure about exactly what time. So you said, I guess 5 o'clock he will come. Use it in this way. And last filler of the day. Last filler in this video. Again, used carefully, very important. The filler is I mean and I guess. It is same as not sure, but just I mean is added in this. I will explain you how to use it. Do you think this problem can be solved? I mean, I guess, yeah, why not? If you work hard and if you are dedicated, you can solve. So see how it is used. I mean, I guess. Well, friends, these were some of the fillers. Part 2 video this is. This is a part 1 video. In the part 2 video, I'll tell you more fillers, but also I'll tell you how these fillers should be used. Alright, so let's see, use this carefully, very important fillers, and be careful about using these fillers. But complete the part 2. Part 2 will give you more clarity about how to use these fillers. Guys, this kind of tips are there on my Instagram, on my Facebook account. You can come over there and you will get more such tips about interviews, about psychology, about English communication, about public speaking, about presentations, and a lot of other things. Just come and visit my Insta page or Facebook page. If you like the video, please give a like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe the channel, and I'm sure that you will like my future videos, which will be about interviews and group discussions and about presentations and communication and vocabulary. Thanks for watching this video and take care. Bye-bye.